What is science? The answer may look easy at the beginning. We may say science is an effort to understand or interpret the universe. In a way, this answer is correct, but it's not accurate. Science is about asking questions and investigating our universe with a specific method. In fact, it is the specific method that distinguishes science from other knowledge. Science doesn't provide us all the answers. For instance, science doesn't tell us that the painting is beautiful or not. We analyze this artwork using our personal subjective views and filters. But science can tell us how our eyes transfer color from this painting to our brains. One other question. Do we have the right to perform experiments on animals? This is an ethical question, not a scientific one. Science, or empirical science, is a knowledge about our study on universe and is based on acquired facts through observation and experiment. Empirical science is more than a set of knowledge. It's a thinking method and an ongoing process to learn and a better understanding from the natural world. When we talk about science, we mean empirical science. Everything starts from curiosity. When someone is curious about a question eagerly, he passionately searches for the answer.
Why?
Most of the time, the answer he finds drives him to more profound questions and more exciting places. For example, a scientist claims that he has found a new element. But in science, not everybody accepts this claim. The mentioned scientist should have evidence to support his claim. All the empirical evidences and results should be reviewed by other scientists, and they investigate the data and try to repeat the results. If the results don't match, the mentioned scientist's claim won't be accepted scientifically. This process may be done by different scientists and in different conditions. And each time that the results are positive, a scientific theory is strengthened. In fact, it is the empirical evidence that determines if a scientific theory is valid or not. What's wrong about science is, if you believe it or not, physics laws rule it. So the world doesn't care about how you believe or what you expect from it. To do wrong or being wrong is not a bad thing necessarily. Scientists are just like other people, and people make mistakes in some cases. If scientists don't have true evidence, they should be willing to confess their mistake. As a result, science is an ongoing process. So be curious. Doubt. Doubt and keep asking questions and researching about your surrounding world. Somewhere, something incredible is waiting to be discovered. What is science in your opinion?